This is a 2017 Honda Civic 4-door sedan taillight removal. It's very, very simple. There is 2 Phillips screws, one here and one here. I've already removed that one. You can use just a Phillips medium size, or you can use a number 8 socket on a ratchet. Then, once you got that off, there's 2 plastic clips on the inside here that go into the body, and all you have to do is pry on here. And the top one is off, and then the bottom one. I'd grab it from the bottom now. And that's it. There's ways to do it with a screwdriver, but I just find you can wreck the light that way. And then, if you want to change your bulbs, they all just twist. And then you can take off whatever you need. And that's it. 2017 Honda Civic sedan taillight removal.